Contemporary architecture is challenging the limits of space and expanding the understanding of how unique and artistic structures can reshape the environments in which we live and work. Over the past 50 years, building materials have evolved to provide design professionals with the tools to test their creative ability and redefine the scope of modern architecture. The horizontal sliding fire door from One Door is a product keeping pace with the evolution in building design and establishing new frontiers in fire protection technology. The One Door Corporation is the worldwide leader in the design, engineering, manufacturing, and installation of the revolutionary horizontal sliding fire door system. One Door pioneered this product over 40 years ago, and since that time has released over 470 new developments to the product to increase reliability, improve operation for those with disabilities, enhance the product's aesthetic appeal, increase its performance to withstand new fire and smoke testing requirements, expand the product's size limitations, and to integrate the development of new electronic technology. The One Door FireGuard system is the original horizontal sliding fire door and remains the industry leader in performance, design, innovation, quality control, price, and customer satisfaction. Imagine the interior of your next building project without limits imposed by traditional fire-rated construction. Imagine wide-span fire-rated openings without floor tracks or metal door frames. Imagine having the flexibility to design a code-complying space with ceiling heights reaching nearly 9 meters, with concealed pockets covered by unobtrusive doors, and providing owners, building, and fire officials with fire protection ratings up to 3 hours. Imagine having your building equipped with the most reliable and flexible state-of-the-art fire protection technology that provides almost invisible code-complying fire-rated openings, that protects some of the highest profile buildings in the world, completely integrated with microprocessor technology that supervises the system every 10 seconds and has the ability to send fault signals to remote locations miles away from the building. If you can imagine all of this, you can imagine what thousands of architects and building owners around the world have been designing for over 4 decades. You can imagine the possibility of designing your next project with the One Door FireGuard system. An important design feature included on all One Door FireGuard products is the unique 2-track dual-wall construction, featuring unitized component door construction, with each panel having its own pin and roller suspension system. 2 walls of independently suspended steel panels with baked enamel finish provide unique advantages in blocking the penetration of fire, smoke, and even heat. The addition of continuous blankets of fire protective liner within the interior cavity of the 2 walls and flexible gasketed perimeter seals for smoke control allows the doors to be fire rated for up to 3 full hours. The door can also bear a 5 label as a smoke control assembly where required. The One Door FireGuard system is tested in each country as required by local fire protection authorities and complies with applicable standards for use as an opening protective in fire-rated construction. At some of the world's leading test facilities, the One Door system has consistently demonstrated the ability to withstand furnace temperatures reaching nearly 1,094 degrees Celsius. The door assembly is protected at the top and bottom by a fire-resistant smoke seal, designed to prohibit the passage of smoke during the fire emergencies. The door assembly is controlled by a specially designed automatic closing system, including a self-contained backup battery power supply provided with the door. This system is engineered to receive inputs from smoke detectors, fire alarms, manual pull stations, or even sprinkler flow valves. When the alarm is activated, the motor engages and the door assembly begins to close. The normal rate of closing speed varies and can be adjusted in the field. It is normally in the range of 204 millimeters per second. The automatic closing system consists of a DC motor, battery, a transformer, and a microprocessor and logic board. This system is protected within a fire-rated enclosure and is typically located at the back of the door storage pocket. The in-house electrical system provides power to continuously charge the battery and allow the system to be completely electronically supervised. With the advent of microprocessor technology and electronic supervision, The one-door FireGuard door can offer a unique feature, ensuring its constant state of readiness to respond in a fire emergency. The door monitors and checks all vital operating systems, including battery power, and all closing system functions repeatedly throughout the day to ensure performance when needed. The door can also be programmed to simulate a fire emergency at a time convenient to the owner. In this mode, the door can be set into a simulated fire drill where it will close across the opening, retract back into the pocket, and then report to a remote location that the door operation test for that day was successful. This feature ensures the highest levels of operational reliability of any fire door available today. The one-door FireGuard system is equipped with specially designed fire exit type hardware. This push panel is readily identifiable and responds to only 3 to 4 pounds of pressure. The door will open a preset distance, then pause, allowing building occupants to exit the space, and then the door will automatically reclose. The opening width of the door is flexible and can be programmed to any opening distance. Multiple sets of exit hardware can be located anywhere along the door opening. The opening width of the door will correspond to the location of the exit device that has been activated. The leading edge of the door is also equipped with sensors that will allow the door to stop when it encounters an obstruction, pause momentarily, and then seek to fully close. The door can always be opened manually. In smaller openings, the force required to operate the door is similar to traditional swinging-type fire doors. In addition to providing fire and smoke protection, the door can also be used for access control. In this mode, the door assembly can be closed and locked in applications where this feature may be desired. The door can be operated and monitored remotely from a PC, or can be operated at the door location by key access, card readers, or other sophisticated means. Once the door enters the fire mode, the locking feature is disengaged, and the exiting feature is again activated. An optional feature called Advanced Synchronized Locking allows up to several hundred doors to be remotely monitored at one central location to oversee door activity, door status, and even remote operation, including locking or unlocking. The system can be programmed to close and open one or all doors at a predetermined time and can also create a timestamped log of all door activity, including unauthorized access. Door system diagnostics can also be performed from this location relating to battery life and power malfunctions. One-door FireGuard system is designed to provide fire separation in locations where fire doors are normally in the open position. Common applications for the product include wide-span opening protection. Some of these installations have unusual heights and require the door to curve to seal off the opening. The one-door FireGuard is also used regularly to replace traditional doors and construction where reliability and aesthetics are important considerations and key elements of the project design. One-door FireGuard products can be found in major museums like the Guggenheim in Bilbao, Spain, or the J. Paul Getty Center in Los Angeles, California. The one-door system protects priceless museum collections and permits patrons to have unobstructed views of vast galleries of art. Airports around the world are a common application for one-door products. They provide wide-span openings to permit the free movement of people in the terminal area, and can also be used in specialty applications to protect vertical openings and provide access control when needed. The one-door FireGuard product is installed in schools, colleges, and universities, as well as government and other municipal buildings. The flexible design provides architects with a wide array of options for solving fire separation requirements in the building, while also remaining virtually invisible to students or school patrons. Having the door completely out of sight results in substantially reduced maintenance costs from damage or abuse, and significantly reduces the overall long-term costs of ownership when compared to maintaining and replacing traditional fire doors. Many major retailers have realized the benefit of installing one-door FireGuard in their stores to increase visibility, improve customer movement, enhance overall building security, reduce maintenance costs, and be environmentally friendly. These installations can be found in high-traffic areas in shopping malls or in storage and stock rooms to assist in the evacuation of the building during a fire emergency. Architects and owners of casino projects have discovered the versatile design of the one-door product and regularly use it to solve fire protection problems associated with escalator openings between floors, the separation of the gaming area from retail shops, elevator lobby areas, or the subdivision of floor areas. These superior engineered products are easy to maintain and simple to operate, and have provided proven reliability for over 4 decades. Hospital projects can present a formidable challenge to design professionals to both comply with fire protection regulation and also create stunning interior spaces. The one-door FireGuard product is a popular choice among leading hospital architects to solve life safety requirements for fire protection, and also design expansive interior spaces that will uplift and inspire hospital patrons. The global hotel market is diverse in both the scope and design and the rather transitory nature of hotel guests. These projects can be found in compacted urban areas, destination resorts, high mountain lodges, and part of substantial historic renovations. While the scope of the design can be diverse, the use of one-door products to solve basic fire protection problems remains a constant throughout the world. Hotel guests move to their rooms faster and are protected each night by the most sophisticated fire protection products in the world. As the evolution of modern architecture continues to broaden the scope of construction projects around the world, the One Door Corporation remains committed to being the leader in solving interior fire protection problems with its revolutionary horizontal sliding fire door. The limitations on height, width, and opening configuration are removed with this flexible folding fire barrier. Isn't it time your next project is designed without limits? Isn't it time you considered One Door?